Barangay Maligaya is one of the 30th barangay of the municipality of Polanco, Zamboanga del Norte. This barangay possesses potential nature-based tourism destinations that includes falls and resorts. These physical features are assets which, if developed with adequate infrastructures, could contribute employment and boost the economic development of the barangay. Maligaya is abundant with water resources and surrounded by beautiful large trees. This barangay has remaining forest cover and situated along the feet of Mount Bulao. Maligaya is known as Land of the Happy People, where you can find children, even senior citizens, smiles despite of the poverty.